Hello everyone, this is Professor Sneha More. Welcome back to the online lecture of Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research. Today we are going to learn Unit 1, Part 4. This is the last part of first unit. Now we are going to study about drafting communication in personnel department. There are different letters in drafting communication in personnel department. The first one is the appointment letter. Appointment letter means an offer of employment or letter of appointment is a written document which formally offers a position of employment to a person. Generally, well drafted letters of appointment are a good idea from the viewpoint of employees and employers. They clarify the general agreement made, set the scene for determining the contents of the contract of employment. A letter of appointment or a written offer of employment should be provided to all new employees. An appointment letter sets out the terms and conditions of employment, including designation, place of work, job profile, leave, termination, salary details, confidentiality, etc. That is the appointment letter. The second one is promotion letter. Promotion letter is a letter from the employer to the employee detailing the new job and its responsibility. A promotion letter ensures that the employee understands their new role in the organization. The promotion letter outlines who the employee reports to, who may report to them, and their additional responsibilities and expectation of the new position. The promotion letter should also mention the new salary if there is one. Then third one is transfer letter. A transfer is a lateral move to a position in the same classified pay range or to a position with comparable duties and responsibilities. All employees are eligible for transfer after being employed in their present position for at least 3 months. In addition, an employee must have been performing a satisfactory manner in his or her current job. Employees are considered as candidates for transfer in the following order to priority. First one is eligible employees in same department as the job opening. Second one is eligible employees in other departments who have requested a transfer. And third one is eligible employees being considered for layoff due to reduction in force. Employees desiring a transfer should submit a written request for transfer to his or her department head. The employee should identify the specific vacancy in which they are interested. The department head forward the request to the Department of Human Resources for recommended action. The Department of Human Resources will determine whether the desired job or a suitable job opening exists. If a suitable job is available, the Department of Human Resources will arrange for the employee's application to be reviewed by the department in which the opening exists. Employees will be allowed time off with pay for job interviews related to transfer. The decision to effect the transfer will be made by the head of the department in which the job opening occurs. Then appreciation letter. Reason to write a letter of appreciation include encouraging future opportunities for working together, creating or strengthening personal and business relationships, giving praise for a standout performance or work completed, thanking someone for a contribution or a help, motivating someone to reach goals, and acknowledging the receipt of an important document or a gift. Then the notices and the circulars. Notices are means of formal communication targeted at a particular person or a group of a person. It is like a news items informing such person or persons of some important events. This can be an invitation to a meeting, an announcement of any event, to issue certain instruction, make appeals, etc. And circulars means a circular is essentially a letter containing some important information that is distributed to a large number of people, be it for interdepartmental communication, advertising, or even personal reasons. A circular must always reach a large number of correspondents. This is one of its main resources. Here we have completed the first unit. Thank you so much.